Hello, in this video, we are going to look at downloading and installing JDK. This website is the official Oracle Java download website. Let's go to the site now. From this site, you will see the latest version of JDK. At this point, the latest version is Java SE 14. So come here, JDK download, click it. Scroll down to download Java SE Development Kit 14.02. It might be some other versions in the future. So this is always updated to the latest version. If you're using Mac, you're going to download the Mac OS installer. I'm using Windows. I'm going to download the Windows version. This is the Windows 64 installer. Click on this. Accept license. Download. It's going to take a while, so I'm going to come back. Now it's finished downloading. So I'm going to open this up. I just double click it. So now I'm going to install it. Now, when you download it, if it has something like a security warning, ignore it. So this website is fine. I'm going to click now, yes. Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Yes. Choose default. Next here, the wizard will guide you through the installation process. Next. The directory, change it, don't change it, use the default. Next. Successfully installed, finished, close. Now you have your JDK downloaded, installed. Please watch the next video on configuring JDK on your Windows by setting the environment variables. Now, please watch this video to edit Windows environment variables to set up your JDK so you can use your JDK from your command prompt. You can compile and run the program using JDK commands. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you on the next video.